Oh God, not again, not this again, not you cannot while decoding 3000 error while watching YouTube or Twitch. This is just too annoying. Hey dude, what's wrong? Can I help you? Yeah, just watch. I have again. I having this yet again and again. Your browser encountered an error while decoding the video, error 3000. I hit refresh, but things are just temporarily okay. Then they are just back to that. Oh, I've seen that happen a lot. I using Fedora 43, 42. Even before that, most Fedoras may have that error. Dude, yes, do you have a fix? I do have it. Watch your desktop, it's there. Again, high production value. Also a bit high production value. But let's get to the chase. You are having this problem while opening Twitch streams, YouTube streams mainly, but probably also many others. If you're using Fedora especially, this can happen, and here is the fix. As simple as this. I'm going to put this down below in the description so you guys can copy paste, but basically it's regarding codecs, okay? So Fedora ships with some codecs, but they are not ideal for Twitch streaming, decoding, like watching streams, watching videos on YouTube and all of that good stuff. So they are not ideal, and they can and they will cause issues. So to fix this, we just need to install and enable RPM Fusion. Don't worry too much if you're not what I can increase this a bit so you guys can watch this, can see it better. Let's keep it square. Okay, so let me reopen this. There we go. So yeah, you just need to enable RPM Fusion. Don't worry about too much if you cannot read it proper on the screen right now. I'm going to put it down in all of this down in the description below. So basically, you enable RPM Fusion free repos for Fedora. Okay, most likely you already have them enabled. Most people do for Fedora. They have a lot of cool stuff. Then you just swap ffmpeg. Okay, use the command, that command there. DNF swap ffmpeg free for ffmpeg, allow rising or raising, not rising, allow raising, and install the remaining needed multimedia codecs that you actually need to decode these streams. Okay, so basically you just need to let me VIM to that. Okay, so just need to install the RPM Fusion repos, download them, install them. Just follow the instructions in the description below. Swap your ffmpeg stuff, and then install the remainder multimedia codecs. I have had this issue forever, and this is the fix. Okay, so Fedora, if you run under Linuxes like Mint and others, most likely we will not run into this problem. But if you do, this is the fix. If you're running non-Fedora stuff, just swap the DNF for your corresponding package manager and it should be a-okay. And you just have to follow these steps. After that, close your browsers, reopen your browsers. Firefox experiments this issue most likely, but Chrome also could experience this. So this will apply to all browsers. Do this, close your browsers, reopen your browsers, enjoy your streams, including my own www.twitch.tv/ozoi and my own streams on YouTube, the Ozoi Beats, the channel you are watching right now, the Ozoi Beats channel, my live streams, and also my gaming live streams on Ozoi Beats games on Linux. I mostly game, 100% game there on Linux, so you guys can actually see the experience, how it is to game on Linux in several titles. Hope this helps. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. Enjoy your streams, including my own, twitch.tv/ozoi, Ozoi Beats on YouTube, Ozoi Beats games on Linux on YouTube, and have fun. Hope this helps, and I see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.